This question is from Sharon Rose Ferrer, Mutya Sanghalaran, 1986. If you are to post a status in your Facebook right now, what would it be and why?
Well, if I were to post a status in Facebook that would best define how I feel tonight, I would post that tonight I am extremely happy, and I'll always be happy because God has always been good to me. Facebook is such an influential avenue where one's opinions can be strongly heard, and knowing that, I would choose to post a statement that is filled with optimism and praises to God, so I may touch my friends' hearts with positive thoughts and encourage them to live each day in God's grace. Thank you.